Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. Today I show you how to buy the FEG token. First of all, this is no financial advice. I just show you how I bought the FEG token on my Trust wallet. First you go on coinmarketcap.com, then search for FEG. Then click on it, then scroll a little bit down till you see contracts, then copy the contract address, then switch to your Trust wallet, click on the right upper corner on the dots and scroll down till the end. The FEG token is on the Ethereum network, so make sure it's on the Ethereum network, then paste the contract address in. So now the FEG token is on your Trust wallet. On the next step, you go on Uniswap. Then you have to put the FEG token in, paste the contract address once again. So then will it show FEG. Now you have to put the amount Ethereum, how many you want to swap it to the FEG token. I already bought it, so I just show you how it's possible to swap this. But please don't forget the network fee. So if you click max, it wouldn't work because you have to calculate a little bit of the network fee, but you have to figure it out by yourself how much the network fee is. Then click OK, confirm it, then refresh your Trust wallet, and in a couple of seconds or a minute or two, it depends on the amount you have bought, you will see the FEG tokens on your Trust wallet, and that's it. That's how you buy the FEG token on your Trust wallet. If something was too fast, please go again on this passage of the video which one was too fast for you and watch it carefully again. And let us feed the gorilla to the moon, baby. So don't forget to subscribe and let me a comment there and share it with your friends, this video. Thank you.